We're gonna be on how to fix the timer on your dryer knob. So this how you need fishing line and super glue or crazy glue. I think crazy glue works better. But usually when this break is when the it's a little D-shaped hole that's on this that you stick on there to the metal piece. So basically the little D-shaped hole on this, it cracks in the hole in it, and then you try to spin it, it don't spin because it's cracked and it just slips. So basically what you do is you get some fishing line, you wrap it around the D-shaped hole on the knob, and then put some crazy glue on it and just let it sit for a while. Make sure when you do this you cannot see, like after you do the fishing line and the super glue, you should not be able to see the crack on the timer knob. And after you do that, put it on there. Well, after you do that, let it sit for an hour. And, make sure you soak it in the crazy glue. Don't be shy to use it. And this was only $177 and $274, something like that. So it's pretty simple. And I got 30 pounds because it just sounds like it's stronger. Like I seen the 6 and the 8 pound, then I seen the 30 pounds, and I was like, yeah, it's stronger. All this you can get from Walmart. And if you want to buy a whole new knob, it's gonna be a whole different video on how to find the model number and the serial number. So yeah.